Hey friends, it's Kevia. Welcome back or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'll be doing some cleaning, organizing, and I'll have two grocery hauls for you all. This was prior to going on our trip to Jamaica. If you have not checked out that video, I'll make sure I link it down below. So let's get started.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need.
I ordered more hangers for Jordan's closet because I did purchase him a bunch of clothes recently. I also ordered these velvet clips because I would like to get rid of the plastic hangers that his pants and shorts are currently hanging on. So I will be clipping these to the velvet hangers to go ahead and hang up all of these items that I have in this basket here. Y'all check out my shirt I purchased from Five Below. What a perfectly good day that is ruined by responsibility. So now that I'm getting fueled up on my Celsius, it's time to get started. I did start washing his sheets and comforter already. That's why you don't see anything on his bed. I'll be taking out all of the clothes in his closet that I need to switch out the hangers. And I'll be doing some dusting in here as well. It's been a while since I've dusted in his room. And I noticed that when I walked over here to his desk and also in his closet. When it comes to his Legos, I try not to bother with those because he will get highly upset. I still remember when we were moving from Hawaii and we had to collapse everything. He built this really large boat and we had to take it apart. And he didn't talk to us for days. It was hilarious. But I felt so bad for him. But I'm like, I'm not touching his toys no more. But yeah, I noticed in his closet as well that it was pretty dusty. So I'm going to take care of that as well. I also want to mention that Jordan is my let me just throw something on type of child. I have to buy his clothes in sets. Well, at least that's what I'm starting to do now. So all of the items that you see me hanging up, they actually have shorts with them. You guys probably saw that when I was hanging them up. And this was prior to us going on our trip. So I wanted to make sure if they went somewhere with my mom, he was going to be looking presentable. Although I know she wasn't just going to let him leave out of the house looking any kind of way. But yeah, I have to make sure I buy his clothes in sets. Otherwise, Jordan will throw anything on.
at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins. And then when I say your name, bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just go on and tell me, get into my eyes.
All right, now we're on to this upstairs space. This is right before you walk into our room. I'm not sure if you guys saw the video on me doing this wall, but I do have a video on that. I'll be sure to link that below. To the right is our bedroom, and to the left is the laundry room. I will be focusing on this shelf because it was super dusty, and then later on you guys will see me go into the laundry room. I want to do some rearranging in there, and I'll also talk later on about the changes that I plan on making in there as well. But let's get this shelf all cleaned up.
My eyes, everything you need. I'm everything you need. You usually don't share any secrets. Suddenly you're an open book. When I struggle to find the words, you get me completely. It's like I've known you forever, so I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins. And then when I say your name, bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just go on and tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you need. I'm everything you need. Everything you need.
All right, on to the laundry room. I don't think I've ever shown you guys my laundry room because it's nothing special to show. But this year, hopefully this year, fingers crossed, I will be able to put the built-in shelves and stuff in here. I just have this little flimsy cart over here that have my cleaning supplies on. I did mention before that what I don't like about this house is it lacks storage space, and we have one linen closet in the whole house, and that is in my kids' bathroom, and I hate that. So the laundry room is where I plan to put majority of the storage that will be able to hold all of my cleaning supplies and the extra towels and sheets and stuff that we may have. Hopefully, I could just put this whole wall full of cabinets, but yeah, I'll have to get a contractor to come in here and see what we can do with this space. But it was super dusty in here. I have to dust in here pretty often. And of course, with this being the laundry room, it always gets really dusty really fast. So I'm just trying to get this cleaned out. The shelf that you just saw me bring in here, I know you guys probably seen me put that in the coat closet downstairs. So because that blue shelf was so flimsy, I figured this shelf would work a little better in here. It's a lot more sturdier, and I'll have somewhere to house all of my cleaning supplies until I can get what I really want in here. So this will have to do. This drip pan gets really nasty and dusty as well, so I'm getting this cleaned up as best as I can. I tried to even lift this, and that was not happening without my husband, so I just had to clean around it. But yeah, it's probably about time for a new wash and dryer. You know what? I don't even want to speak that into existence because that is a big purchase. But this washer and dryer been holding us down for about 11 years now because yeah, about 10, 11 years because we did purchase it when we lived in the area before, well, not in this exact area, but we were living in Georgia, and that was shortly after we had Jordan, and Jordan is 11 now. So we've had it for about 10 years, and I do want to get another set, but this one has been working just fine, and I'm really not ready to make that purchase yet, although I would like to get something, a little better. This one is working just fine. All right, it looks a lot better as far as the dust being gone. You guys couldn't really tell on camera, but in person, it was horrible. Anyway, it's not the aesthetically pleasing laundry room that you see on Pinterest, but hey, it's functional and it works for me. I also wanted to mention that I try not to get so caught up in the aesthetically pleasing trend, although it's nice to see your space look a certain way. It's all about functionality, and that's what I try to present when it comes to my home. Long as it functions for us, that's what's important to me. I did purchase these sheets and a new comforter from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the washer. You guys won't see me put that on my bed in this video, but we were in need of something new, so I figured I will go with a different color scheme.
I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment. Letting go of the past.
So next up is my boys' bathroom. I really had to brace myself coming in here. So my oldest is responsible for cleaning this bathroom, but since my mom and niece were coming, I wanted to go ahead and clean it. And I also like to come in here at least once a month and give it a deep clean because I know he's not going to clean it the way that I like it clean. And I try to teach him, but it's just not going to happen. So I'm grateful for him trying, but when I came in here, I noticed that he really haven't been trying enough. Like this bathroom was disgusting to me anyway, but I didn't show me doing a complete clean on camera because I really had to get down and dirty in this bathroom. And yeah, I was tired as well. So all of this that you are seeing was being filmed prior to us going on our trip. And that's probably why we missed that first flight because I was doing the absolute most the night before. But yeah, it looked a whole lot better in here. And I did talk to my boys as always. Every time I come in here, I have to get on them about this bathroom. But one day we're going to get this together. This is our garage door, and with this being a high traffic area, this door usually gets pretty dirty. So I wanted to get this wiped off as well. And once I started cleaning, I just started noticing little things. That's usually how it gets started. Like once I start, I cannot stop. And that's a bit of a toxic trait with me. Like I have to make myself sit down because I will keep going and going until my body just shut down. And that's what it did this time. I did make several store runs prior to their arrival. I had to go to the Dollar Tree and also do our weekly pickup from Walmart. And I also wanted to get some things that they requested as well, just some items that we needed for the house. If you're new to the channel and wondering where all the meat is, my husband and I are pescatarian. My kids still eat meat, but Jordan is a picky eater. The only thing he's going to eat is probably chicken nuggets, chicken tenders, and bacon, of course. So that's who the bacon is for. But I don't buy meat. If I buy meat for them, it's usually something frozen that they can put in the air fryer, but I no longer buy red meat or anything like that. I found this really cute water bottle at Rainbow, and it comes with two smaller bottles inside of it. I'm so mad because the really small one, I already messed up the top when I was washing it and turned on the dishwasher. I didn't realize it fell down in there, so it got a bunch of dents in it. But this is another grocery haul. I think I may have done this one before the other one, but it seemed like I just kept going to the store. But yeah, this was just an overview of the second haul that I did. Okay, that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make